In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on my iPhone ringer. This is an important skill to have, especially if you want to ensure you never miss a call. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow to get your iPhone ringing again. First, the way you turn the ringer on depends on your iPhone model. Older iPhones use the ring/silent switch, while newer supported models utilize the action button or control center. Knowing which method applies to your device is crucial. It helps you quickly access the right settings without any confusion. This little step saves you time and makes the process smoother. Now, if you have one of the older iPhones, let's look at method 1, using the ring/silent switch. Start by locating the ring/silent switch on the left side of your iPhone, just above the volume buttons. This switch is a small but vital feature. To turn the ringer on, simply flip the switch toward the screen. When you do this, make sure the orange indicator is hidden. This indicates that your iPhone is now in ring mode. Your device will play ringtones for incoming calls as long as the volume is turned up. This is a straightforward way to ensure you can hear your notifications. Next, we will move on to method 2, which involves using the action button on supported iPhone models. If your iPhone has an action button instead of the ring/silent switch, the process is slightly different. Begin by pressing and holding the action button. If it's set up for silent mode, this action will switch your iPhone between silent and ring mode. This feature is particularly useful because it allows for quick adjustments without navigating through menus. If you find that the action button is assigned to another function, don't worry. You can change it in the Settings app. Just go to Settings, then tap on Action button and select Silent mode. Now let's explore method 3, which involves turning off silent mode in the control center. This is available on supported iPhone models. To do this, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open Control Center. You will see several icons here. Look for the silent mode control, which resembles a bell. Simply tap this control to turn silent mode off. Once you do this, your iPhone will return to ring mode. This method is especially handy because it gives you quick access to sound controls without needing to dig through your settings. After ensuring your ringer is on, the final step is to adjust the ringer volume. To do this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on Sounds and Haptics. Here you will see the ringtone and alerts section. You can drag the slider to increase the ringer volume to your desired level. This is important because a louder volume ensures you can hear calls even in noisy environments. Optionally, if you want to enable change with buttons, you can do that here as well. This feature allows the side volume buttons to adjust the ringer volume, adding a layer of convenience. By following these steps, you can effectively turn on your iPhone ringer. With your device set up correctly, you will be more likely to hear incoming calls. Remember to check your volume settings regularly, especially if you experience missed calls. Thank you for watching.